And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to crop an image. So directly cropping it doesn't really work. Programs like GIMP or Photoshop are better suited for that. But we can still import an image. Let me do that. I just drag and drop it here. Keep the defaults. When we resize it, I hold Control. And we can use the top menu to resize it. But when we do, you can see it gets stretched. So if we don't keep the ratio between width and height, you can see we've got very weird results here. But we can simply create a rectangle and then type in, for example, the sizes for a YouTube thumbnail, so 1280 x 720. Then I place it on top of the image. Let me go to Object, Fill and Stroke, and then I decrease the opacity for the rectangle. Make sure the cursor tool is still selected. Then you can reposition that to the right point. Then select it both, so the rectangle and the image, then right click and set a clip. So now we've created a clipping mask, and you can see it has the exact values for the YouTube thumbnail, so 1280 x 720, and we could now use that as a thumbnail. It's still resizable, always hold Control when you do, otherwise it gets stretched or compressed. And this is somewhat of a way to crop an image in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.